Hi, in this episode we're going to be making seed mix, the one way that you can guarantee that your plants will grow to the best that you can give them. Life is now beginning. So get yourselves ready, DIY seed mix time, because we're not going to be buying it in a bag. We are going to be making it from scratch. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, and that's all there is to it. So remember, seed mix is your time to get your plants going. Here we go. Seed mix, something that you all need at some point. So welcome back to Keep On Growing with Trevor and Nick. What we're going to do today is we're going to show you the different ways of making seed mix. Now, some of them people add sand. That's up to them. We don't need it. The recipe we use is what we use. It's not necessarily what other people use. Some people put lime in it. The reason they put lime in it is because they've used a compost with peat in it. So the lime has to bring the pH down. We don't use it because we don't use peat in our compost. All our compost is peat free. So everything is safe, environmental, and it does the job. That's all that matters. As long as it does the job, we don't mind what you do. Is completely up to you, but this is how we do it, and it works for us. Now, there are several things that you can do. You can measure it out. You can get little scoops and things and measure them out so it's all nice and nicey. Or you could have a flower pot. You take a flower pot and use that as a measure. It's not rocket science. It is just one part this, one part that, one part this. Mix it all together, and hey presto, you have seed mix. Costs you £8 or so in the shops. So, do you want to pay £8 and get 10 litres of seed mix, or do you want to spend virtually nothing and get the same thing for free? Think about it, and I'll get everything ready for you. So, what is in our seed mix? Well, it's quite difficult to remember. Get yourself a pen and paper, you might need it. No, only joking. What we have is quite straightforward. You have a growing medium, which is compost. Nice sieved compost. We always sieve our compost. That's gone through a 4mm sieving process. If you look at our how to reuse your compost video, you'll be able to see how we do that. But it's nice, it's fluffy, and it helps the plants grow, gives them something to grab hold of. Now, watering, some sort of moisture in the compost would be this little gent here, coir, coconut coir. You can use it as a bulking agent to make your compost go further, but basically it attracts moisture, so it keeps your seeds well watered. So if you're one of these people that grow seeds and you find that you have like green on the top of your seeds, that's purely down to the fact that you have overwatered your seeds. This will help you with that because it retains moisture. It's made of coconut. We have a video out to show you how to reconstitute it and make it look like this from the rock hard little brick that it used to be. Then of course you have The third element. Now, this is vermiculite. Vermiculite is a very lightweight substance that you can buy virtually any garden centre or whatever, and it adds air and drainage to your seed mix. So any excessive water going in, the coir will collect it. If there is too much, this will help it disappear out the bottom. And that's really all there is to it. It's just those three things. Now, the measurements, you have 1 scoop of 1 measure of compost. You have 1 measure of coir. And you have 2 measures of vermiculite. Next part of the process could be classed as difficult, but I don't think it is. You put 1 part of coir, 1 part compost, and 2 parts vermiculite. That is basically all there is to it. So now we're down to mixing, and all you do is just mix it all together and it becomes a light, fluffy seed mix. Straightforward, mixing it up nicely, breaking all down any lumps and bumps that are in there. Well, there shouldn't be, but you might not realise you missed a bit, but there you have it. Seed mix. Light, fluffy. Some people will look at it and say, well, what can that do? It's just substance. Well, if you hold it together, it still just falls apart. It's so lightweight that it just falls apart. And that's ideal, because then all your little seedlings go into their seed mix and they become nice, lovely plants. You might be saying, what sort of compost? Well, we use our reused compost from the old planters. The reason we use that is because all the goodness has been taken out of the compost. You don't want any nutrients in there at all. You don't necessarily have to do it the way we've just done it. You can do your own. You can come up with your own recipes. You go on the internet and there's lots and lots of different recipes for the same thing. Eventually you end up with the same thing. It's just seed mix. That's it. We're low budget. We don't want to be spending loads of money on things we don't have to when we already have them in. So basically, reuse your compost, get your vermiculite from some well-known place, get going. You're up and running, really. It's our way of doing it, not necessarily other people's way of doing it. So remember, we do it our way. It's the way that we have done it over the years, and it works for us. And if you think that basically you like the idea, then click on the like button and start mixing yourself. If you've got any questions on how we do it and why we do it, or what you want us to do for you, go into comments and just ask us a question. As I've said before, if you don't ask, you don't get. We don't read minds, so ask the question. You never know. You might get an answer to something you didn't realise you needed the answer for. And of course, the big one is subscribe. Every time you see a video that you like, you subscribe. Well, with us, subscribe, because what that does, it helps us to let you know what we're doing. And every video that comes out, you will get a little message. It's free of charge. It won't cost you anything. We just send you a message and you then know there's another video for you to see. In the meantime, have fun with your seed mix and start growing, because that's the best way to do it. So on behalf of Trevor and myself, I'd just like to say thank you for viewing and keep on growing.